Psychology shows women decide to sleep with you based on this. Most men think women decide to sleep with them in the heat of the moment, like flipping a switch. But psychology shows it's actually a quiet mental checklist happening long before things get physical. In this video, we'll break down 8 subtle factors women consider, and the last one is sound expected. It might completely change your way you see attraction. If you're new, you're in the right place. We cover men's dating advice daily. Tap like if you're ready to grow. Leave a comment and subscribe. 1. How you react to awkward silence. You know that moment when the conversation dips and neither of you knows what to say? Most guys panic and start babbling. But if you stay calm, maybe even smile at the pause, her brain picks up on your ease. It signals you can handle tension, including the vulnerability that comes with intimacy. It's less about words and more about whether she feels safe letting her guard down. 2. The way you treat waiters and strangers. Not in the cliché, be nice to the waiter way. It's deeper than that. She notices how your tone shifts with people who don't owe you anything. A subtle courtesy or a lack of entitlement tells her you're grounded, which flips a very primal switch in her mind about trust and long-term safety. 3. Your relationship with your own body. This has nothing to do with muscles or six-packs. It's about how you live inside your skin. The guy constantly adjusting his shirt or apologizing for his posture sends the message, I'm uncomfortable with myself. Confidence isn't loud. It's how naturally you occupy space without asking permission. For whether you can surprise her mind, if she can predict every single thing you're going to say, the intrigue is before it begins. A comment that reframes her perspective or a question she's never been asked creates a mental spark. Desire often grows from curiosity. And if she can't quite figure you out, she wants to get closer. Over 1 million men watch our free videos, but members who go deeper see 40% more positive responses from women. Join through the pinned comment or Members tab. 5. How you end an interaction. Most men focus on first impressions, but women are often more impacted by last impressions. Do you leave her buzzing with anticipation or relieved you're gone? A clean, confident exit plants a seed in her subconscious that keeps growing after you walk away. 6. Your ability to let her talk herself into it. Here's a secret. Women rarely decide while you're talking. They decide while they are talking. When you listen without trying to steer the conversation, you give her space to convince herself you're the right choice. It feels like our decision, and that makes it powerful. 7. What you do when plans fall apart. A canceled reservation, a late Uber, a sudden downpour. Chaos reveals character. If you stay playful and adaptive instead of sulking, her brain codes you as a partner who turns problems into adventures. That resilience is wildly attractive. 8. Whether she feels more like herself around you. This is the invisible final factor. If in your presence she feels funnier, smarter, or freer, she associates you with her best self. And when she wants to feel that way again, she naturally wants to be closer physically and emotionally. Members get private methods we can't share here. Join through the pinned comment or Members tab. Subscribe and comment with what you'd like to see next.